Hi guys, a very warm welcome to you from Dubai. My name is Ash and welcome to episode 2 of our fragEMARAT fragrance reviews. The fragrance that we are going to be reviewing today is from the house of Haramain, which is a perfume house based in UAE since 1970s. And they have several retail stores in this region, and they have an online store as well where you can buy their fragrances from. And it's a house that caught my attention while I was looking at some fragrances. I was trying to discover some new fragrances in the market, and I came across their store in one of the famous malls here called Mirdiv City Center. And they handed me a few samples. They had some kind of a road show going on, and they were handing out samples, so they gave me a few samples. And one of the fragrances really caught my attention. That's what I'm going to be talking about today. Upon discovering this house, I went and searched a few details about them, and I also visited two of their oldest retail stores in Dubai. And they are located in Dera, Dubai, which is in the Murshid Bazaar area, which is like the perfume wholesale and retail market in Dubai. And you can see some of the photographs that I've taken of their stores from outside. So you can see that they are really an old perfume retailer as well as a manufacturer, and they have been in this industry since 1970 with a great reputation. The fragrance is an oud based fragrance, and it's called Amber Oud. Here's the wooden box that it comes in with a nice velvet texture inside, and here's the bottle. The bottle is basically quite heavy. It has this metallic plate, metallic cap, Al Haramain engraved or embossed on top, and the back side is completely clear where you can see the juice. And overall the presentation is quite good, looks quite premium, quite expensive. The fragrance comes in 60 ml. They have just this one size, and they also have two additional flankers to the Amber Oud collection. This one is Amber Oud. They have an Amber Oud Gold edition as well as an Amber Oud Tobacco edition. You can watch this video till the end, where you will be able to see kind of a walkthrough at one of the retail stores that I did, where I have gone through all three editions of this collection, as well as the additional collections that they have to offer that are also quite attractive. Upon testing all three different fragrances from this collection, I found the original Amber Oud to be the best. And this video is for those people who shy away from oud fragrances and they feel that the oud is too strong or too overpowering. I think you will change your mind after you have tried this fragrance, which is primarily oud, but it offers something really different and something that will be loved by everybody. So let's do a sniff and spray test, and then I can give you my opinion about the fragrance. So the opening is very sweet and very citrusy, and it's something of a love at first sniff. At least for me, I feel that this is a fragrance, if anybody is trying to get into a Middle Eastern style fragrance and does not want to shy away or be afraid of venturing out into an oud based fragrance, this is one of the best alternatives for them to start with. I have been using this fragrance the whole of last week, and on the dry down, I want to say that you would probably love it even more, because even at the dry down you can still feel it a little bit sweet, but it comes the base of it is actually quite woody, aromatic, and it is something that will always stay pleasantly on your skin. I was really happy using this, and I got a lot of compliments also throughout the week. Everybody wanted to know what this fragrance was. If you are in the market for a Middle Eastern style fragrance, especially with oud, and you have always shied away from oud based fragrances, I think this would be a really good place for you to start, because I don't think that there would be anybody who would dislike this kind of a fragrance, because it has a lot to offer. It is it smells premium, doesn't smell skanky at all. It has a sweet touch to it. It has a citrusy touch to it. At least in the opening it is citrusy, but then the citrus dies down, and then you can have that sweet, and you'll keep the sweet and the woody smell remains throughout the day, and overall it's a really pleasant fragrance. The overall performance has been spectacular. I mean, I've used a couple of sprays on my skin, and the fragrance has lasted me a whole 10 to 12 hours. I would say the projection is about 1.5 to 2 hours, but you will always smell it on your skin, or if you have sprayed it on your clothes, you will always smell it throughout the day, and it's really pleasant. I mean, the whole fragrance has a very pleasant vibe to it. Definitely outstanding quality product from Haramain. In total, I paid around $70 for this fragrance, so it's not on the cheaper side, but I believe that the overall presentation and packaging and the overall quality of the fragrance itself justifies the price. I would surely keep buying this fragrance every time I run out. It's that good. I would definitely want this in my collection, and since I'm also not very particularly fond of oud, even though I'm from the Middle East, I like oud fragrances that actually are sweeter in nature, and this is something that really attracts me, and I really liked it a lot. A detailed unboxing of the fragrance can be seen on our Instagram channel. We usually use our Instagram channel to show you the entire unboxing of all the fragrances that we review on our YouTube channel. So you may go there and follow us and see the unboxing of this particular fragrance on our Instagram page. If you found this video interesting, and if you found this review informative, please do like and share this video, and subscribe to my channel, and keep coming back to watch more reviews that I'll be doing shortly. Thank you very much. Here's one of the store locations of Al Haramain in one of the famous malls in Dubai called Mirdif City Center. Here you can see the entire collection under one roof, and if you go to any of most of the malls have a store like this. This is like a boutique store for Al Haramain. If you visit Dubai, you can definitely come down to Mirdif City Center and visit one of these showrooms. This is the rest of their fragrance collection from Al Haramain. Here's the very famous Amber Oud range, which is the Amber Oud, the Tobacco edition and the Gold edition. And here's the Junoon range, which is also quite popular. And their entire collection is on display in the showroom. You can visit this. If you visit Dubai, definitely stop by and check out their product range. You won't be disappointed with what they offer.